Hello students, for the standard 6th we are going to study here your lesson number 5th verb. From that verb lesson we are going to look section number your, that is D. Students, look here. So auxiliary verb we are going to look. An auxiliary is a verb that helps the finite verb with the references to formation of tense, formation of passive voice, negation, interrogation, emphasis or specific meaning. Auxiliaries are two kind: primary, all form of what to be, have and do, and modal are what call can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, need, dare to, ought to, have to, used to. So primary means what? Firstly you will see form of be, have and do, and remaining are called modal. Students, so next page you will see briefly. Students, look, be, am, is, or was, were, shall be, will be, okay, being. To form this, Nitin is working on a computer, so is a form of to be. For have, has, had. For the have, has, you can say, students, here to have the tense of a verb. We have been to this palace many times. Form of do, does, did. Does Parag know the address? So form of does are mentioned here. Do, does, did. So form of C, students, can and what could. These are the modal auxiliaries. We will see. To show ability, to ask for or for grant permission. Okay, he can speak and sing very well. Okay, ability, permission. Can you use? You can use my motorbike to go. The consent. Okay, so here permission given. May and might. To ask, grant permission. Same it is to indicate possibility. For example, may I use your ruler? Or you can see here for indicating possibility. We may go out for dinner. This next is shall indicating it denote an action future tense. Students, for example, I shall talk to you later, like this you can use here. Next page, look here. Next page, what is mentioned, students? Will, so shall will indicate here, students, compulsion also, and to seek permission or request also. Will denote action for future tense. For example, they will buy a new oven. To indicate determination also, I will do as I like. To make promise or to show willingness. Okay, for this two purpose also you can show. Should, to express duty or obligation, to give advice, to express conditions or to express approval. Students, for example, you should come to school, you should not laugh, should you need help, or I should not like to thank. For this way you can use the words. Next verb, students, helping verb, what? Would, to express a wish, to indicate refusal, to express determination, to express a habitual action, or to make a polite request. Next one, must, to show compulsion or strong obligation. Next page you will see, students, to show fixed determination, to indicate duty, or to express certainty or strong probability. So for this auxiliary verb, students, will see exercise 5th C. Identify the auxiliary verbs in the following sentences. The Almighty cannot banish anyone from his kingdom. So underlined words are what? Auxiliary verb, students. Okay, these are the auxiliary verb. See, only I have told you primary verb which are be form. Am, is, or was, were, shall be, will be, whatever that. Shall be, will be, being, been, all are called primary verb. Have, has, had and do, and remaining all will be called what? Modal auxiliaries verb, students. See, so can is a modal verb, students. You can write there modal also front side like this, modal. Next, see, next what is given? What? Can is also modal verb. Don't is a primary auxiliary verb. Are is also primary. Can modal auxiliary verb. Can, here again underline modal auxiliary verb. Seventh, had is a what? Primary auxiliary verb. Has primary auxiliary verb. Is primary auxiliary verb. 10th number, can is a what? Primary sorry, can is a modal auxiliary verb. Had is a modal auxiliary here primary auxiliary verb. And 12th number, where is also primary auxiliary verb. Students, see, these are all called what? helping verb. What are these helping verb? Right, helping verb. And two types, primary and what, modal auxiliaries verb we are looking now here. See, next page. Next page we are going to look, students. See page number 39. Look carefully. 13 number, where is the primary auxiliary verb cannot modal would primary, or you can say what, modal also. Then next, would 16 number would modal. 18 number can is a modal auxiliary verb, sure, modal auxiliary verb can, modal auxiliary verb. 21st also can call be modal auxiliary verb. 22nd, my folk dances will enthrall you, it's a modal auxiliary verb, students. Here will, must, can, would, and had is a primary auxiliary verb. So this way you can find out all these primary words from this auxiliary words from these sentences.